Can AI truly transform organizations, or is it just another tech fad? Let's explore how AI is reshaping leadership and strategy.
That's a great question. Ravinder Dostoko points out that AI transformation isn't about tech upgrades, it's a leadership mandate. It requires a fundamental shift in how organizations think and operate.
So it sounds like leadership engagement is key.
Exactly. Senior leaders need to directly experience AI to understand its potential risks and impact on workflows. It's not enough to delegate it to teams.
Okay, so once leaders have that fluency, what happens?
Then transformation accelerates. Clear direction is given to teams, governance becomes practical, and employees embrace AI as a capability shaped by informed leadership.
That makes sense. Speaking of capabilities, I saw another article that said coding is becoming less important. Is that true?
Well, Dastukup argues that coding is now more of a task, especially with AI handling execution. The real value lies in problem discovery, identifying gaps, and asking meaningful questions.
So what does problem discovery involve?
It requires context, judgment, empathy, and moral awareness. These are human capacities that AI can't replicate.
Okay, so what is the key takeaway here?
The key is to allow AI to handle the tasks and free humans to focus on discovery. It's a promotion of human work from builders to discoverers. That's the progress.
Interesting. And it sounds like this shift will also affect our identities at work.
That's right. The author discusses how our identities are shifting from being defined by our roles to being defined by our perspectives and how we show up when judgment is required. He calls it the age of cognitive shifts.
So instead of asking, who am I in the system? We ask, how do I show up when judgment is required?
Exactly. It's about removing the costume and focusing on our orientation, which is chosen daily and lived quietly.
That's a lot to consider. Are there any examples of how AI can be used for good in specific contexts?
There's an interesting point about using AI as a co-founder in Indian higher education institutions, or HIs, to solve SDG-related problems. By focusing on problems first rather than technology, students can address pressing issues.
Oh, that's a great idea. So how can AI help?
Think of AI as a 4-in-1 teammate, a research analyst, a customer discovery partner, a prototype co-builder, and an impact evaluator. That can accelerate SDG problem solving.
This has been insightful. It sounds like AI presents both opportunities and challenges that require careful thought and proactive leadership.
Definitely. It's about embracing the shifts and focusing on uniquely human capabilities. Thanks for joining me in this discussion.
It was a pleasure. Let's keep exploring these topics as AI continues to